Forest, guys, and look, the first thing I see a yowie, and this is a bit of a stretch, guys. This is a little secret area, guys. Just gotta be careful of the snakes here, guys, because there's vicious the snakes around here. And this is another place I will be looking for a yowie, guys. So I'm walking. Look at this forest, and there's huge kangaroos here, guys. Bigger than this, well, probably 180 standing up or more. Probably more. I saw one that standing up was more than 180. There's a huge kangaroos here, guys. Look at this forest.